The new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell lets you see what other doorbells can't. A more complete picture from head to toe. Know exactly what's happening with valuable notifications and take action faster with options right on your phone. You can also reduce notifications that are less important to you. Get peace of mind with clear video, day or night, for anything at your door. And keep your home protected at all times. It's built to last. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The all-new wire-free Arlo Essential Video Doorbell. Complete picture, total protection.
video is about how to connect our video doorbell V5. First, after you remove the back bracket, you will need to remove the installation tape first. Then the doorbell is powered. The app we use is AI Wait. If you are the first time to use our app, you will need to register with your email and log in. Here I already logged in, so I get into the device list directly. Tap Add icon to add a device. Choose Add Video Scanning. Choose Video Doorbell. Here it says press and hold the device button for 8 seconds till the light is flashing red. Here, press and hold. The red light is flashing, so next. Is the red light flashing? Yes. Here we need to set up the Wi-Fi and the password. I just entered the correct Wi-Fi name and password. Please note here the device only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, so you cannot use 5G Wi-Fi. Next. Here we get a QR code. Use the doorbell to scan this QR code. Here, sign up successful, confirm. Then we get this new device, this one we just added. Tap the window, and here we get into the live preview.